Hello and welcome to another folding tutorial brought to you by Pop-Upology. In this video I'll be showing you how to fold the KISS design from my range of Origamic architecture pop-up cards available online. So once you have cut your piece after downloading the file, either by hand if you chose to download it as a PDF, or by cutting it using a plotter, you will get a result that you can see here if I hold it up against the light. This is a very simple card to actually complete. There's just one thing that you need to take care with, as the hinging at both the head sections at the base where the neck is can be slightly delicate, but all you really need to do is fold the entire card down at the spine, which is in the middle as denoted by the perforation, and just close your piece, and then in sequence just close up again to about a sort of 45-degree angle both your heads, like so. And at this stage you can actually kind of ease the two shapes together where the mouths are, and you literally just want to kind of fit those two slots over one another without putting too much pressure on the base of those head shapes where the necks are. And once you've done that, you can actually just proceed to refold your card while making sure, of course, that those two slots are aligned, like so. And just kind of press down on your end result just to sort of smooth out and establish the creases further. And you should be able to see how these two shapes fit together from then on quite snugly, as you can see here. Sometimes if one of the heads is at a slight angle, you can just readjust it so that it kind of fits into a much more parallel layout. But essentially that's all there is to it, and from here on you will have a really sweet mechanical pop-up card ready for your final embellishment or decoration, which you can use a number of different backing sheets in order to cover the voids left behind by cutting out our shapes. I tend to use a transparency, colored transparency paper for this purpose, because it gives maximum impact, as you can see here with the light shining through behind the piece. And just by changing the color you can get some really amazing and different varied results. As this makes a perfect Valentine's Day card, I would use either a kind of red or a pink sheet for this purpose, but you can really experiment with all sorts of different stocks which you can find in your local art shops or craft shops, stationers, or online. So do have an experiment and post your results online by all means if you'd like to share the results of your experiments. Many thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy this project, and happy Valentine's Day. See you again soon. Goodbye.